Hey, lost your Twitter? Oh, sorry, your X account. Don't worry, I've got your back. Whether you forgot your password, your account got locked, suspended, or hacked, even if you don't have access to your email or phone number, this is the ultimate guide to recover your account easily. Because you're watching GetAssist, Himanshu here, and let's get started. So if you've forgotten your password, just open up your X app or your web browser and search for X or Twitter and click here, and after entering your username, click here on the forgot password. Here, enter your email, phone number or your username. After that, choose where X should send you a verification code for your account recovery, your email or your phone number. Choose one, enter the code sent to you and click on verify. After that, create a new strong password and you'll be back again. Simple, but if you can't access the phone number or the email address, then your only real shot will be contacting the support via the help center form. Just explain everything to them in a bunch and submit your appeal. For that, when X send you the verification code to your email, you will find the option to contact X if you don't have access to your account. Tap on it. Choose your problem, whether you need to regain access, reactivate your account, or appeal for locked or suspended account. Then again choose the specific one if you forgot your password or any problem like the above, like hack. Choose one option, how you signed in for the account, whether you use your phone number or your email address. Then go down, enter your username, your email which is working, your current email which you have the access on, your country code number if asked by a number. Then write down your problem in detail and submit your appeal. Now, if your account is locked or suspended for violating the community guidelines or breaking any of the rules, then this kind of interface will be there on your screen while logging in. So simply tap on the start button here. Now it's asking you to send a verification mail to your registered mail. Tap on send mail, go check your inbox, enter the verification code to verify. Now it's asking you the authentication. Tap on it. See, it's asking a puzzled question to indicate the right seat. Select the right one and submit. And your X account will be back, for which you just have to tap on this continue to X option. See? Now, if your account just got hacked, first of all, try to log in via your number, your email or anything or any device where you can log in, and first of all, change your password. For which, go to your setting and support, then tap on your account, then tap on change password. Now either enter your previous password if you remember it, or the hacker hasn't changed it yet. Otherwise, tap on forgot password. Now enter your username, get the verification code on your mail or number, and the reset password window will be there. So reset a strong password, and after that mention the reason for the password change. Always add an extra layer of security to your account by enabling on the two-factor authentication, for which again go to your settings and support, then tap on security and access. Now tap on security, then two-factor authentication, and enable all the possible ways on. Hope this guide really helped you in getting your account back, but if you can't sign in back or log in back, then contact the Twitter or X support, because these are the only options to recover your Twitter account. And to prevent this issue, always sync your email and phone number with your account, or you can use a strong password manager like the Google does or Apple does for you. And that's all. If you find this video useful and informative, just hit the like button, comment down your thoughts, and what else, just subscribe to our channel for more such content, and I'll meet you in the next one.